Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the most requested diet plans of all the time. Quick weight loss diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days super easily. Now this particular diet plan is for all of those who want to really lose their weight very quickly because for an event or for a social gathering or any kind of function coming up. But yes, always remember that this diet plan is a very low calorie diet plan and hence it cannot be persistently maintained for longer time of your life. Follow it for at least 10 days in 2 months or 1 month and you're good to go with it. But for sustainability, we always prefer proper nutritional balanced diet plans for weight loss with a slower journey approach. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss because they wanted to attend some social gatherings, some events coming up, and they requested for this diet plan and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, or you can even visit us at this address given below, and I'll be more than happy to meet you, talk to you and chat with you and prepare special customized personalized diet plans for you for weight loss to help you achieve your weight loss targets. So without any delay, let's get started with quick weight loss diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days super quickly and super amazingly. Starting with the early morning drink. So always make sure when you wake up, the first thing that you have is lukewarm water. Either it can be with some herbs added to it. I personally like to give my all the clients, if they want a quick weight loss, always go for cinnamon tea. All you have to do is simply boil one cinnamon stick in approximately 1.5 cups of water. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go for your early morning drink. Now this basically helps you to suppress your appetite to a very great extent, control your sugar cravings for the entire day, and extremely beneficial for belly fat loss as well. So try out this cinnamon tea for extreme belly fat loss. Second option, if you cannot have this, then I always prefer my all the clients to have simple lukewarm water with added half a lemon squeeze to it, pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder, and you're good to go for the entire day. You will fall in love with this early morning drink recipes because they help you de-bloat yourself very quickly, remove all the water retention, swelling from the body super easily, and give you good weight loss benefits as well. So try out these recipes for your early morning drink. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this quick weight loss diet plan. Now of course, when it comes to quick weight loss, we are not going to compromise with the protein intake, as it helps us to keep a track of our calories also and definitely reduces our appetite to a greater extent also. Protein intake has also proven for all of my clients to reduce their cravings as well to a greater extent. So try out this protein rich paneer sandwich, and the recipe is super easy to prepare. I'm taking here 2 slices of multigrain bread, along with that 100 grams of paneer, some ghar ki bani hui mint chutney, and then along with that of course fiber to go with it. Black pepper powder will add to it and pinch of pink Himalayan salt as well to flavor it. Grill the sandwich or have it raw and you're good to go for your protein intake. For this I'm also adding here Greek yogurt. You can use normal curd as well as per your own preferences. And you're good to go for your breakfast. Along with that, always make sure to have a cup of green tea or tea or coffee if you are habitual to it, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. And you're good to go for your very high protein and high fiber breakfast. Now if you cannot prepare this sandwich, the second recipe of high protein sandwich would be banana peanut butter sandwich. The recipe is already up on my channel, which requires only 3 ingredients in this: bread, banana and peanut butter. You should have all these and your high protein and delicious sandwich is ready. Now this particular sandwich gives you good potassium also because of banana, kills your constipation to a greater extent, and is amazing in taste as well. So follow these recipes for your healthy high protein breakfast. Second option for breakfast is a very quick to go breakfast option because sometimes you just need to grab it and go it very quickly. The amazing option for all of you would be a smoothie. Now I have apple, oats, banana, peanut butter smoothie recipe on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super high in protein and great for your gut health as well. So try out this smoothie recipe for your breakfast. Now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-morning snack. If you feel hungry during this time, always prefer to chew one fresh fruit. Whatever is locally available to you, try out those fruit options only, be it banana, be it apple, be it pomegranate, berries, whatever it is. Try out one portion of fruit for your mid-morning snack, or you can even jump to having simple some soaked nuts. Now I prefer to have 5 almonds soaked overnight, 2 walnuts and 1 fig, that is anjeer. Now these help for the brain development also, and at the same time gives you good amount of your micronutrients as well, good amount of vitamins and minerals too. So try out this for your mid-morning snack. Now let's quickly proceed towards our lunch option for quick weight loss diet plan, for which I'll be giving you 2 options here. It has to be low carb, it has to be strict, or it has to be yummy as well. Now I am talking about my personal favorite and super yummy as well, high protein kebab salad. The recipe is already up on my channel channel which requires very minimal ingredients. You can even meal prep these kebabs or patties, I would say, prior to your working days. So in the weekends, you can always meal prep these patties and keep it in the refrigerator, and you're good to go for your anytime quick lunch option. Now this requires good amount of fiber, at the same time good amount of protein as well. You will feel satiated for the good amount of time with this high protein salad. The recipe of this salad is completely up on my channel. You can just check out the complete recipe here. It is super easy, super quick and super yummy as well. With this quick dressing, you can flavor it up to next level. So try out this high protein recipe for lunch. Second option for all of those who want a very quick weight loss and definitely want belly fat loss as well, can always switch to having lemon coriander soup for their lunch. I know soup for lunch can be a little tricky, but trust me, these 10 days you will thank yourself later, because yes, this diet plan completely works like wonders. So you can have 300 to 400 ml of lemon coriander soup. Along with that, you can even have grilled paneer. I would recommend if you can have 70 grams of grilled paneer along with it, and you're good to go for your high protein and super yummy lunch option. The complete recipe of my lemon coriander soup is already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super yummy as well. So try out the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Quickly, let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option for this diet plan. Would be, you can either have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea if you like it so, or you can even switch to having tea or coffee if you like it so and you're habitual to it, so but without any sugar. The tea or coffee should not contain any kind of sugar to it. Or you can always switch to having 1 glass of fresh coconut water. If it's locally available, then why not, but do not buy the packaged one at all. Always switch to having just a cup of green tea then. And now let's proceed towards our dinner option, for which I'll be giving you 2 options again. For dinner, we'll keep it super light quickly as well. We need to make sure we have our dinner before sunset, probably by 7 p.m. is possible for you. The dinner would be very quick and simple to prepare. I've already shared the recipe of air fried broccoli and pineapple, which is again working well for all the clients and removes all your belly fat very quickly. So try out this very quick recipe in which I'm quickly adding boiled broccoli and some freshly cut pineapple to an air fryer, seasoning it up with some olive oil and pinch of black pepper powder, and you're good to go for your dinner. This tastes so amazing because the pineapple actually grills it up and becomes super juicy as well, and you will love having this with broccoli because we need the good fiber and want to remove our constipation as well the next day. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this, then you can always have the recipe of my tomato zucchini soup. Now this soup is super amazingly well and tastes yum as well and satisfies all your cravings super amazingly. All you have to do is simply pressure cook tomatoes, zucchini. You can even add beetroot, carrots and some fresh coriander leaves or sticks as well, and you're good to go for your tasty delicious soup. Blend it up and do not strain it. We'll have it along with the fiber, and you love having this soup every single day because it's super yummy in every manner. You can even have some paneer tikka or some grilled paneer along with it if you like it so, but always prefer to have only soup when it comes to your weight loss habits. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which comes before we go to the bed, it has to be either 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which helps you to relax your nerves throughout the day, treat your insomnia very quickly, provide you with good sleep benefits, and works amazingly well to boost your metabolism throughout the night. If you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having 1 cup of freshly brewed ajwain tea or jeera tea. Postpartum weight loss, diabetes, PCOD, PCOS, thyroid should definitely try out having ajwain or jeera tea once a day. Helps you to debloat yourself and remove the water retention super quickly. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, so that you're hydrated and also removing all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me without any fail and get the great results. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal plans or recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans and client transformations. Check out my daily vlogs at this channel or my Instagram handle, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.